So this is what you will see when you first log into TriloDocs. This is the main dashboard, which is where you can find any of your previous CSR drafts. If you decide to save and quit your draft partway through the process, you can go in and make changes to it by pressing this edit button. If you decide that you no longer wish to keep a draft, you can remove it by pressing this delete button. To create a new CSR, you go to the big button at the top here that says Create CSR. Now here's where the TriloDocs CSR crafting process begins. First of all, you'll need to enter a study name. This will be the name of the file you download at the end and what this draft will save as on your TriloDocs dashboard. Once you have named your draft, you'll come to the file upload stage. This is where you upload the main files that TriloDocs needs to craft your report. The clinical study protocol, the statistical analysis plan, and any tables and figures. You can upload each of these files by pressing the Add button under each section, then by either browsing your computer files or by clicking and dragging the files into the dialog box. Your files will then be uploaded into TriloDocs, which you can see by either checking the upload status boxes or by watching the upload status bar at the top of the screen, which both show when a file is being processed and when the uploads are complete. The next stage is where you'll inform TriloDocs on what you want to see in your CSR draft. The wizard questions are vital in making sure TriloDocs can make the most of the data you've given it. As you go through and answer all of the questions, you can take a look at the guidance notes to make sure that you are giving the best answers for your study. Once you have answered all of the wizard questions, you can save your answers and move on to generating your CSR draft. This can take a few minutes, which is no time at all when compared to the weeks spent manually sifting through page upon page of tables. Once TriloDocs has finished generating your report, you can see here which sections TriloDocs was able to craft. For example, this study had no Kaplan-Meier figures. You can then download your CSR file as a Word document by clicking the Download button at the bottom of the page. If you perhaps have some new data you wish to add, or any other changes, you can upload the new files or save your new wizard answers, then press Generate again for TriloDocs to create a new draft, which you can then download as a new Word file.